Morning. This quarter panel, left hand side, Tim's panel van. Dog's breakfast. Chopped and migged. Buckled. Not even joined properly. Chopped and migged. Look at that beautiful mig. Chopped down and migged inside here. Dog's breakfast on the base. Dog's breakfast around the arch. Dog's breakfast in the dog leg. Dog's breakfast in the wheel arch. Dog's breakfast on the inside. So we're going to cut it off. Hi guys, just wanted to show you this TIG welding panel. We've taken a quarter panel off a HG panel van left hand side, and we've had to do a major repair on the front section of it. So we're using a donor panel off another car. That's a good section in the front. We've cut it all out and trimmed it. I just wanted to show you the process, just to give you an idea of how good TIG welding as opposed to MIG welding is. Anyway, here we go. Don't know how clearly it's going to show up, but what you can see here is this. We've put this whole section in. That's the donor piece. It's been joined down inside the door frame. When you cut to do TIG welds, the join is perfect. There's no gap, and we're basically just fusing it together with the TIG. So if you can see that weld there, we've just melted the two pieces together, so there's no wire going into this. If there is a blowout or it keyholes a little bit, we just use mild steel wire, which is this stuff here. You can see how soft it is. It's exactly the same as what the mild steel panel is. So we get this weld all the way along all the way down through there. And the beauty of doing it this way is that if you had have done it with a MIG and you leave the gap and you make the MIG fill the hole, you've got a hard carbon wire in between the two bits of metal. And over a distance like this, it's not good, because that can actually print on a hot day through all the paintwork. Once the car's finished, it can print through the paintwork. It'll actually give a shadow line because this metal expands quicker than what this metal does. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. You can see how fine it is through here. It's all perfect edge match, and you just seam it together. So that's a butt weld. There's nothing underneath that sticks out. All you can see is the penetration from the weld this side. When you look at it sideways, it's hard, you can't even tell it's been done. It will need a little bit of fill in there, but nothing like you do when you use a MIG. Alright peoples, thanks for watching.